Good morning, sir.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग हिमांशु। क्या बात है भाई, लैब में वगैरह में आते हो पर लेक्चर्स वगैरह में नहीं आते हो?
सर कल
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग
फैमिली
ऋषि।
फैमिली फंक्शन था एक, तो उसमें थोड़ा बिजी था इसलिए नहीं आ सका।
और पहले?
पहले तो सर वो उस दिन आपने बताया, उसके बाद वो मैं होल्ड पे चला जाता था सर, नेट कनेक्शन कैसे।
ओके
नाउ आई आपने वो बताया ना
ओके।
ब्राउजर को ये
हाँ हाँ। ओके ओके
या
गुड। I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
यस
Very
सर इट
soon we are going to start our lecture, lab rather. So our first lab would be, sorry, our first lab would be operational amplifier, and we would be discussing inverting amplification, non-inverting amplification, etc. in case of operational amplifiers. So I request all of you to first of all draw the diagram which is drawn in green color so that we can start the experiment. I hope my voice is clearly audible to all of you.
यस सर।
यस सर।
Very good morning, Muaz.
सर ही इज अर्ली।
He is very early. Uh, Vraj Waniawala. Hello, Vraj. Hello, Vraj.
सर व्रज इजंट हियर।
No, he is here. He is 20 ECD05. See the number he has joined.
Oh, I saw. I'm sorry. I thought Vraj.
Yeah, yeah. Vraj Waniawala. Hello, 20 ECD05. Beta. Vraj.
Yes, sir, Prachi.
अच्छा सॉरी प्राची. प्राची बेटा તમારે છે ને એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર પ્રમાણે you are in D11 batch प्राची.
Okay.
So please join D11 batch. હશે ને બેટા?
એટલે એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર નહીં આપ્યો હજુ કોલેજમાંથી.
Just wait a minute.
એનરોલમેન્ટ નંબર સર નહીં આપ્યો કોલેજમાંથી હજુ.
Students, I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. You are clearly audible.
Hello students, I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You are.
So the thing is that we need to draw the operational amplifier diagram that you have already drawn, I think so. I would just like to focus on few points: pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4 and pin number 7. Fine. So pin number 4 and pin number 7, we are going to apply plus minus 12 volts. At pin number 2 and pin number 3, we are going to apply our inputs. So either we can apply on both the pins or we will apply on one pin at a time. That is either at pin number 2 or either at pin number 3. We are basically having two resistors, one is R1 and one is RF. But before we discuss or we start discussing about the circuit diagram, first of all, the most important part that we will discuss is the inner diagram of operational amplifier. Is the inner diagram of operational amplifier. So for that particular purpose, I would be sharing with you one screen where I would be sharing the inner diagram of the operational amplifier. So for that particular purpose, first of all, I need to say to you that operational amplifier is commonly also known as differential amplifier. Operational amplifier is also known as differential amplifier. So in case of this differential amplifier, what we are having is, we are having two transistors basically, which are connected back to back. I am having two transistors which are connected back to back. And we are focusing on differential amplifier because in case of CE amplifier, what we had observed was CE amplifier was basically an amplifier where we were getting maximum gain. But since there were presence of capacitors as well as DC batteries, there were chances that at the output we were also having certain DC components which we did not require. So if I connect another transistor in reverse direction to this particular transistor, then the overall DC which is coming in the output side would be neglected and would be subtracted. Hence, our amplifier gain would increase. That was the basic reason why it is connected back to back. That is known as differential amplifier or voltage differential amplifier in case of operational amplifiers. So we will be proceeding in the same particular manner, guys. And for that, just wait a minute. I would be sharing the screen with you. आई होप से आपको सेकेंड डायग्राम दिख रहा होगा थोड़ी देर में. सेकेंड डायग्राम को आप लोग प्लीज ड्रॉ कर लीजिए.
तो दोनों निकालने मतलब
निकालने मतलब
दोनों ड्रॉ करने हैं ऐसा ना.
हाँ, फर्स्ट तो सबने ड्रॉ कर लिया था, सेकेंड ड्रॉ करेंगे. Whenever your diagram is over, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, as you can see over here, there are few things that are to be noted. Pin number 2 is the inverting pin. Pin number 3 is the non-inverting pin. Pin number 4 is minus VCC. Pin number 7 is plus VCC. Pin number 6 is output. So now let us directly concentrate on what is RI. RI is known as the input resistance. It is inside the op-amp, not drawn outside the op-amp. The value of Ri ideally is infinite. The value of Ri ideally is infinite. We say that in case of an amplifier, always the resistance at the input side is very high and the resistance at the output side is very low, so that we get maximum gain, and whatever is the noise or other parts that has to be stopped at the very beginning, that is at the starting point only. So the value of Ri ideally is infinite and practically it is 2 mega ohm. Practically it is 2 mega ohm. So following that particular thing, we are going for understanding this particular thing. There are basically three kinds of op-amps available. There are basically three kinds of op-amp available. These three kinds of op-amp are known as single-ended, double-ended and common-ended. I repeat, the first diagram in pink where there is only one input at one of the inputs is known as single-ended. Where there are two inputs, it is known as double-ended. And the third diagram where there are three inputs, it is known as common-ended. I hope all the three diagrams are clearly visible to all of you.
Sir, last one is not clear.
हाँ હું સ્ક્રીન में નીચે કરી છે પણ
It is visible. Rishi,
અહીંયા
pin kar,
ડિલે
sir.
થાય છે, અહીંયા ડિલે થાય છે કદાચ થોડું. पिन करो ना, पिन करने से हो जाएगा. नहीं हो तो फिर मुझे बोलना. कॉमन में कुछ नहीं करना ऋषि, 2 और 3 को कंबाइन कर दो और एक इनपुट निकाल दो.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Practically RI की वैल्यू कितनी बताई? 2 मेगा ओम.
2 मेगा ओम. आई होप आपने तीनों डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लिए हैं. कैन आई मूव फर्दर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, as I have told that basically we were discussing about Ri. So the inputs, the two inputs at pin number 2 and pin number 3 when combined together, this is nothing but my VD, that is differential input. If I provide input from both the pins, then I would get a differential input. So my overall voltage gain of the circuit is V0 is equal to AV multiplied by VD. AV multiplied by VD, where VD is differential input voltage, and V0 is my output voltage. So I can say that VD is equal to V0 upon AV. V0 upon AV.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the secondly I would like to say that ideally AV is equal to infinite. Ideally AV is equal to infinite. I hope you are able to understand that thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And practically speaking, the value of AV is 2 into 10 raised to power of 5. 2 into 10 raised to the power of 5. That is the practical value of AV. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, thirdly, I would like to say that I would like you to note few of the definition तो नहीं लिखवाऊंगा क्योंकि वो क्लास में लिखवाऊंगा आपको नहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी. ओके बेटा, अब आप लोग एक टेबल बना लो. टेबल के अंदर 3 कॉलम्स होंगी. फर्स्ट कॉलम इज प्रैक्टिकल, सेकेंड कॉलम इज पैरामीटर्स एंड द थर्ड कॉलम इज आइडियल. Once you draw the table, please let me know.
Sir, what are the columns?
First is practical, second is parameters, and third is ideal.
Done, sir.
Okay. Write down the first row. First row is 2 mega ohms. Parameter is input resistance, and ideal value is infinite. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat one time?
Yes. Parameter is input resistance. Practical is 2 mega ohms, and ideal value is infinite. $38 आपने अपने आप को पिन कर दिया क्या, या मेरी स्क्रीन चली गई?
सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई है.
No, sir, I have not done.
Okay. Now the second thing is 75 ohms. 75 ohms output resistance and 0 answer, and the third column is 0. I repeat, 75 ohms output resistance and 0. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third is voltage gain. Parameter is voltage gain. Ideal value is infinite. Practical is 2 into 10 to the power of 5.
So ideal is
0. Sorry, voltage gain ideal is infinite. Practical is 2 into 10 to the power of 5.